Try adding a few drops of essential oils to the aroma pad. Plus, warm and cool mist elevates your humidifying experience. Simply set a constant humidity mode to keep the humidity at the comfort level whether you are reading or exercising. The remote control allows you to easily adjust among 3 mist levels. It's convenient to clean the humidifier thanks to the detachable design. Add water to the top water tank and breathe fresh air instantly. Adopting ultrasonic technology, the humidifier runs quietly. Set an auto-off timer ranging from 1 to 12 hours to sleep peacefully.